You got a 300 series on the way and are looking for the most comprehensive SSM kit on the market? Stick around, let's chat about our superior engineering Outback Adventurer. Our kit turns your 300 series into the ultimate weapon. A 3.5-inch lift, 35-inch tyres, as well as a 4.2-tonne GVM upgrade. So let's chat about that 3.5-inch suspension lift. Now you're looking at a set of our 2.5 ECDS shock absorbers, giving you up to 100 stages of compression adjustment from the comfort of the driver's seat, as well as our adjustable UCAs, making sure you've got the perfect wheel alignment every single time. Now as well, we give you a 40mm diff drop and all of the reservoir brackets and everything to make sure this kit in the front end handles absolutely perfect, keeping all those driveline components exactly where they should be, making sure there's no extra wear and tear. And to suit those big 35s, we've got 35mm extended flares, as well as a set of extended mud flaps at all 4 corners, making sure they're 300mm from the ground and 100% street legal. And for some extra protection up front, we've got the option of the off-road animal Predator bar, as well as their Toro bar, making sure you've got that front end protection for Skippy on those outback roads. And underneath, we've got our superior engineering stainless steel underbody protection kit, giving that driveline added protection to make sure there's no rocks or stumps going to get up in there and ruin any of the driveline. In the rear end, this big girl gets all the goodies as well. We've got our lower and upper control arms, as well as an adjustable panhard rod, making sure the rear end's perfectly aligned. We've then also got our coil seat brace, as well as the option of airbags added in with our heavy duty coils to make sure this suits that big 4.2-tonne GVM. And to maintain ADRs with our Outback Adventurer, we've got Cat 6 indicators, upgraded reverse lights, as well as our superior engineering Outback Adventurer badge. So if you're looking for the most comprehensive SSM kit there is on the market for the 300 series, look no further than the superior engineering Outback Adventurer. Jump over to superiorengineering.com.au and get your quote today.